She is a true mover and shaker. She is the voice of the destitute and the downtrodden. She is also the torch-bearer for womanhood, as well as the face of the Middle East in the orbit of culture. A writer of rare depth, a filmmaker par excellence, and a radio and media personality of resounding repute. She is really the stuff icons are made of. Her word is heard with rapt attention at various international forums, and she is looked upon by all and sundry as a paragon to emulate and be inspired by. Presenting the 6th Great Women Awards Middle East 2016 for Cultural Icon of Middle East, to Ms. Sameera Aziz.
On Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, CMD, Bright Outdoor.
Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Truly stunning achievement. Few words, please, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I would like to speak in both languages, in Urdu and English, so everybody will understand. I am really honored and grateful for this award, especially organizers, because there are so many people who just know, to discourage the people. Or there are some people only who appreciate and encourage others, especially the women like us who come from the male-dominated society. आपकी टांग खींचने वाले बहुत लोग होते हैं, लेकिन आपको आगे बढ़ाने वाले लोग बहुत कम होते हैं दुनिया में, और वो लोग बहुत अजीम होते हैं. Like Ranjan, Shashi Ranjan hai, Anu Ranjan hai, and I am really grateful to all of you. In some part of the world, the progress of the woman is happening, but it is very slow. We need to accelerate the progress of the woman in this world. So this type of situation, this type of encouragement, it will really make our future bright. Thank you so much.